Hello everyone. For 2021, I did a massive rundown on 25 planners available in the Indian markets. This video was divided into two parts, and most of the planners are still relevant and are available in the market for 2022. So go ahead and watch these videos to know more. I have linked them in the description box below. For 2022, I thought since I've already done the rundown, I would do a detailed walkthrough of each planner and give you my thought process of how I choose a planner for myself. Hence, the Shop With Me series. The first video in this series was the Space and Beauty Planner. Please check the description box below to know what are my thoughts on the 2022 Space and Beauty Planner. So today I have chosen the Tall Elephant Planner. My Instagram DMs were filled with recommendations from all of you for this planner. So I had to dedicate a video to this one. Also, they're a new brand and they did not feature in my 2021 planner lineup. So without further ado, let's see what this planner has in store for us. To start with, this is not a standalone planner. This is a planner cum journal system which they have named as Little Black Box. Also, wait till the end. I have a special discount code for you at the end if you want to buy this planner. This Little Black Box has a ton of things. First one is obviously the main planner cum journal. Then there are postcards. Then there is a travel journal, a self-reflection journal, two notebooks. I think one of them is ruled and one of them is not. And also one thing to keep in mind are these journals and notebooks are just pocket size. They're not full size notebooks. Then you have a desk calendar, a sticker book, which is a very desi sticker book. I will get into detail of this desi sticker book in a bit. And they also have revealed on their social media about the universe card. Let me find that for you. Yeah, these are the universe cards and these are surprise edition in the little black box. This will also come obviously with a little black box, which is superiorly glossy black and gold detailing box, which is pretty decent, I must say. The journal cum planner, the sticker book and the desk calendar are a part of the kit, whereas all other things are freebies and will be available only while the stock lasts. So now let's get into the planner. Wow, this is definitely a super colorful planner. I really like the yearly tracker here. I actually make this such a tracker every year for certain goals that I have and I want to keep a track of it. So this is very useful, at least for me, because I have to manually create this every year. Wow, this definitely is not minimal. So you have a vision board, bucket list, level 10 goals, mind map. The monthly start also looks very pretty. The daily pages also look very aesthetic. Tracker. Wow, this is actually good. So when you set your level 10 goals in the start, let me go back. I think that's the logic. Yeah. So over here, as you have set those level 10 goals, I think this is a monthly tracker where you will have to track those level 10 goals again. Oh, this is very thoughtful. I like it. Wow, a lot of trackers. So if you know me, you know that I love my trackers and more the merrier for me. Again, depending on who you are and what kind of journey you are at. Sometimes people find a lot of trackers intimidating, but I absolutely love them. Okay, meals and finance trackers as well. This is my best part. The Desi sticker book. I absolutely fell in love when I saw this sticker book the first time. So this particular sticker book has more than 1700 stickers. That's a lot. And it includes, as you can see, a lot of Indian festivals like Basant Panchami, Guru Purab, Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is Diwali. Wow, I love this Diwali spread. It's superb. So these are again the freebies in one view. So you have all these cards, notebooks, journals, the universe cards, and we are back to the planner. One other thing that these pictures don't do justice, and I've seen on their Instagram, is they have two page markers, the satin page markers, which is also something I really appreciate because I generally have to use either a bookmark or something else, but two page markers are good enough for me. Uh, Now coming to the price of this, it is priced at 2499. With the code that I will give you, you will get I think 200 rupees discount on it. Also, what I think is the price is a little steep for Indian markets, considering competitors like Space and Beauty, Ink Bucket. I would think that the Space and Beauty one, with its current freebies and the stack, is more economical than this one. But if you've already used Space and Beauty one last year, and if you want something change, this is slightly more plus than Space and Beauty. And Space and Beauty one retails for 1650. I will leave the link of my 2022 Space and Beauty planner flip through also in the description box for you to check out. So finally, what are my thoughts? So first thought is definitely this is an expensive planner considering all other planners in the Indian market. So if you have the budget, then only you can go to this planner. Again, this is more of a journal than a planner, but appreciate little things. So this is very good. You won't have to decorate it. So for that, I think it is worth it. But again, depending on your budget and where you stand, that is something that you will have to look at. Second thing, I think it is slightly overwhelming for a newbie. So many spreads, so many things that are there. Everything you may not be able to fill it. So I think it may be slightly overwhelming for a newbie. Also, one other thing that I would notice is it has 440 pages. So it is a pretty thick book. It has 110 GSM paper, which is a good quality paper, but it is a thick paper. So the book itself will be extremely bulky, and it is not a Viro bound book, it is a hardbound book. So I'm not sure how comfortably it will open flat. So that is something that is what my concern is. Second thing, since it is a 440 pages book, I don't think this is very travel friendly. It is super bulky. So if you have a desk and you want to use it at the end of the day to journal your day, this will be great. But if you want to use it as a travel friendly thing, so if you want to take it to work or to your college, this book will not do the trick, is what I think. One positive that I definitely see, it's super colorful. If you saw the spreads, they're super colorful. I don't think you will need any kind of decoration over this. You just need a good pen and you should be good to go. So what is my final verdict? Will I buy this? So at this point, I'm going to wait for other planners to release and then I will decide. But at this point, currently, with the kind of maximalist I am, I'm a super maximalist when it comes to planners. I need all the spreads, I need all the colors, and I'm very happy with this planner. It also is on the higher side of my budget, but still will fit in my budget. So I don't have a problem with that as well. So for me, I think this is on the top of my list as an option for my 2022 planner. Let me know in the comments below what other planners. Let me know in the comments below what other planners you would like me to include in this Shop With Me series. Also, I have definitely not forgotten about the code. It is flashing on your screen right now. I got it from the planner introduction video that the brand put up. I am definitely not affiliated with the brand. Hope this saves you some bucks. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you like our content. Bye now.